I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please subscribe and turn your post notifications so you'll be alerted of a post. If you've been here, thank you for the love and support, and I appreciate you very much. So today we are doing an unboxing and also a review on a nail drill machine. So I got this from SHEIN. It's a portable nail polisher and I got it for like $360 if I'm not mistaken, but I'll put the price. It has a 45,000 RPM, but they also say PRM, so I don't know what that is about, but I'll put the information right there. It has a fast and reverse button, and then it has a pause and play button as well. Most of the information that you need is going to be displayed on the screen, as you see there, the battery and also the power that you're using, which is the RPM. The drill can do a lot of things, and most of those things are displayed on the back. The first one being that it's rechargeable, which means you can charge it and then use it later. And then it is type C, USB, and you have to be careful with this because there's the US version one, US plug. Be careful when choosing it because you can choose a different one, which is not the option that you would prefer. As I've mentioned, it has a forward and reverse button, which is the positive inversion, and then it has the 45,000 RPM, and then low noise. So hopefully you guys have the low noise, and I don't know why they didn't mention the vibration, but it's supposed to be there. So far the box looks good. I like that it's black though, because it's giving, you know, demure. Very classy, very demure. So opening it up, this is what we have in the box. Everything looks good. So starting up, I think I'm gonna start with this because this is the main thing we're here about. So, oh, this looks really nice. So this is how everything looks from this item. So I'm gonna put it back in here, and we have the drill bit. Sorry, we have the drill, not the drill bit. The drill. This is how it's looking. And I have the drill bits. This is how they're looking. The cables. I think this is the charger, and then this is the one that you connected to the nail drill thingy. So let's try and connect everything. Everything is connected to everything. It's like this. At the end of the day, this is how it's looking. Let's give it a go. So I want to try, I think, this one. Oh, okay. Got it figured out. Remove this. And then you put right here. What I just noticed is that you can actually control the length of the drill bit when you're putting it on the thing. So you see how if like I don't control it, it goes all the way down like this. But then if I choose to control it, I just put it half here, meh, and then you put it like this, meh, then you lock it. You can lock it here. So right here it's locked now. I can't move it, I can't do anything. If I don't like the way it's looking, you saw how it dropped, yeah. So if I want it lower, I can do it right here like this, and then lock it like this. Then it can't move or anything like that. So it depends on how comfortable you are with the drill bit sitting and how you want it to sit. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try and turn it on, and then we're gonna use it. If you want to turn it on, you just do this, right? Turn it to, let's try 10. 10. So I want to see how strong it is at 10. Vibration and sound, it's low, so that's a good thing. You see how it's not doing anything. So this is 45. I'm gonna try it on a new now. Okay, this is, yeah, trying. I don't know. This is my first time using this machine, so I don't. Let me try and remove this color and see if it can. Ooh, okay. Let's see what it's doing. Let's see what it's doing. It's doing a little zoom zoom. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it off now. I have bought like a couple of nail drills that I wanna try. So I'm gonna give those a go. Okay, so I got some nail drill. Got this to try out. Oh, I don't know which one I want to try. Giving this one a go right here. It's a bit round. So yeah, let's lock it in. Lock in. It's locked. It's moving. Then we're gonna put the speed up to, let's say 40, right? Okay, so you see the one that we drilled earlier. Gonna try and drill the cuticles. Definitely give it a 9 out of 10 for me. Reason being is because, firstly, it's my first ever nail drill, so I can't be like 100% as if like I tried a lot of them. But this one so far is working perfectly. There's thousands of this, different kinds, different RP. Yeah, it's RPMs. So yeah, so far I've learned that the vibration is very important and the noise is also important. Comment if you have any questions. I'll definitely answer, and I always do answer unless it's a repeated question or it's already in the video, but I do not mind answering either way. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Can't focus on me.